Bow, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to the show. It's your boy Let's Money. Now, we're going to do a quick little Friday recap of what's happened over this week, what I'm expecting going into next week, and then I'm going to be back on Monday. And then you guys can pause the video and let me know what you think in the comments section. Now, if we start on the Bitcoin chart, guys, today, Bitcoin continues the pump. So it's great to see that we're still strong ending the week. And we actually did come back down to backtest this previous area of resistance. We've now flipped it into support, which is fantastic. And it looks like we're going to retest around 123k all the way to the all-time high. Now, I did have a big order block filled at around 122k. And we're pretty much nearly at the median of it, guys. So we could bring this first line down a little bit. And we can say 122.615 to be exact is where we should start to expect some resistance over the weekend, guys. Okay, so, you know, super powerful move for Bitcoin. Everyone was expecting a rollover, even myself, right? I mean, when we go back to the log chart, I was expecting something like this, right, to maybe happen. And it didn't happen. And that is why we entered our Bitcoin long at around 113k, guys, which is now purely profit. Okay, stops now at entry. We took some of our leverage position off the table around 121k, and now we're going to be scalping it out up to 135k, guys. Okay, so risk-free trade. And again, if you guys want to go check out the members club, then I've actually given you guys all a free 7-day trial, so you can go in, check out what trades are live right now, because we've got a bunch of trades live that we're going to be making a lot of profit on going into October, guys. Okay, so that's just a quick disclaimer. Looking really, really good for Bitcoin. For ETH, we're basically at TP1, which is 4.5k. So we did actually take 50% off the table of our ETH trade today, which is great. And now we're going to go and tackle 4.7, 4.9, and then 5k and new all-time highs. So even though October usually is the Bitcoin show, I am expecting, you know, a little bit of strength for Ethereum going into October. And again, all we need to do is check out the order blocks, look at the 4-hourly, and you can see here, right before the all-time high, we got one last sort of like line in the sand, so around 4.9-ish k, where people are ready to sell their ETH. But ETH working on a breakout along with our others and our total 3, and we haven't actually looked at total 3 for a little while, so we can go and see what's going on over there, guys. But total 3 is approaching our must exit zone, right? So if we go to the daily, actually, must take profit exit zone, it looked like we were going to break down, and this is why you need to confirm weekly candles okay, because we did come back down to the 1 trillion level that we spoke about last time we looked at the video. Last time we looked at total 3, right? And we said around 1.02 trillion is going to be a big area of support. Guess what? It acted as a big area of support, and we're now 15% up, guys. So once we do start to break all-time highs, I mean, Bitcoin breaking new all-time highs will push this into the must-take profit exit zone. Ethereum breaking all-time highs will push this up here as well, and then all of the top coins that are moving. Okay, so for our large caps, this is sort of like the indicator where we need to start thinking about pulling profits from our large caps. And when it comes to the small caps, you'll see that we've actually still got quite a way to go. Okay, so when you do compare it to the total 3, we're still pretty far down, guys. Okay, so we're not going to be taking profits out of our altcoins just yet, unless they're going to be things that have had like major moves like Sui, Solana, etc., guys. Okay, so others chart 358 billion is going to be where I expect us to push to before we do have a rollover, guys, and 300 billion, big area of support. Okay, now before I do finish, I wanted to let you guys know that I actually partnered with Tangent to give all of you guys on the channel 10% off their wallets. All you got to do is use code LEX, and yeah, it's going to help me out, it's going to help the channel out as well. But personally, I use the ring. Okay, so all of you guys can check that out. Ring's pretty cool. Nice little bit of bling bling. And then also I've got a bunch of these cards, so I'm going to do a Tangent review on the channel at some point. But we got 2 cards here. I've actually got 3 cards. We got the Tangent wallet, and then you've got the Tangent Stealth wallet as well. So we'll do a full in-depth review of that another time. But I just wanted to do a quick weekend deep dive because it is my friend's 30th birthday this weekend and we're all going away. All the lads are going away and we're probably going to drink a little bit too much, guys. So yeah, I'll be back on probably Sunday for a live stream for all of you guys. But yeah, just a quick one from me to you. Crypto market looking really, really good. Bitcoin could be approaching new all-time high before I see you next, guys. So again, if you want it to hit all-time high, like the video, subscribe, leave me a comment on the channel as well. And I will see you guys on Sunday. Peace.